Sunshine, I've been waiting. Sunshine, why you playing with my head all the time? You go way out of line. Sunshine, don't keep me waiting. Show me affection, attention, and care. Losing the tension, and baby, I swear I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. Spotlight from myself.
Hey y'all, it's your girl and welcome back to my channel. If you're part of the new crew, welcome and thank you. My name is Bethany. I'm a boss mom, always grinding. On my channel, I show it all. You need motivation to tackle those chores? I got you. Turn me on any of your devices and let's do this together. For all my returning subbies, you know what it is and you know what we do. Let's get it.
And baby, I swear I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadow.
Now the reason I'm doing all this cooking is because my third child, Nia, turned 18 on Monday. Woohoo! That's my third adult child. Amazing. I'm getting old. Anyway, we decided to do a cookout for her birthday, and this is what I did. And pretty much the whole video is just going to show you everything that I cooked, what I cooked. Here's I'm getting the marinade ready for the steaks. I am rinsing the steaks off. That's why you see them not in the picture. Beautiful. They were wonderful and delicious, I might add.
So don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light got the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that.
Now, some of y'all might know, some of y'all might not know, but I do have my own current business. I'm a small business owner. Woohoo! I create custom cups and tumblers. Right here, I was creating a cup for my logo with my new logo and everything on it. So I'm just going through showing you the process of how I do it. And for those of y'all that be in search for some type of personalized cup, and it's not just one of those stencil things. I take a lot of time in crafting what it is that I make on top of the tumblers that are already out and ready to go. I will be making custom t-shirts, and I'm trying to get a custom line of hoodies together. So I'm saying, hit your girl up, bigred44create.com. I'm just saying.
Give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me.
Now, in the past, I've told y'all that I do my laundry a little differently. I do fold all my laundry, do it myself, so here's a little laundry motivation for you. But later on, you're going to see where it is that I hang up the clothes for my kids, and then I have them come down and get their stuff and take it upstairs. I do the washing, the folding, I hang the clothes up. All I have to do is put it away. Makes my life a little easier to do it that way than to have 50 people trying to wash clothes and do stuff all at one time. It just makes my life easier this way.
Enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me.